Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one choice is PLUSINNO 264/397 PCS Fishing Accessories Kit. PLUSINNO is known for its commitment to quality, and this kit is no exception. The fishing hooks are sharp and durable, while the weights and sinkers are made from high-quality materials that resist corrosion, ensuring longevity even in saltwater conditions. The tackle box is thoughtfully designed with separate compartments to keep all your gear organized. This organization not only makes it easy to find the right accessory quickly, but also minimizes tangles and damage during transport. Considering the wide range of items included, the PLUSINNO Fishing Accessories Kit offers excellent value for the price. It's an economical choice for anyone looking to stock up on fishing essentials without breaking the bank. The PLUSINNO Fishing Accessories Kit is an impressive fishing tackle box that caters to both novice and seasoned anglers. With options for either 264 or 397 pieces, this comprehensive kit includes a well-organized selection of essential fishing gear such as hooks, weights, sinkers, swivels, and beads, making it an ideal choice for targeting species like bass and trout. The PLUSINNO 264/397 pieces Fishing Accessories Kit is an excellent investment for anyone passionate about fishing. Its combination of quality, variety, and organization makes it suitable for various fishing situations, from casual trips. Our second best ice fishing jigs is Fanmang pre-ringed jig soft fishing lures. If you're in the market for reliable and effective swim baits, the Fanmang swim baits are sure to enhance your fishing experience and help you reel in your next big catch. Suitable for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, the Fanmang swim baits can be used in lakes, rivers, and even coastal areas. Their effectiveness in different environments makes them a versatile addition to any tackle box. Made from high-quality soft plastic, these lures are designed to withstand multiple strikes without tearing easily. This durability ensures you get more use out of each bait, providing good value for your investment. The paddle tail design mimics the movement of real fish, creating an enticing swimming action that attracts bass and walleye. The realistic profile and coloration increase the chances of strikes, making them effective in various water conditions. Each lure comes pre-rigged with a jig head, making them ready to use right out of the package. This feature saves time and effort, especially for those who may be new to rigging lures. The kit includes both 2.5 and 3.5-inch swim baits, allowing you to choose the best size for your fishing conditions and target species. The different sizes provide versatility. Third pick in our list is TRUSCEND Fishing Lures. If you're in the market for versatile fishing lures, the TRUSCEND swimming or jigging fishing spinners are a fantastic option. Designed for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, these spinners feature a two-way spinning spoon system, making them adaptable for various fishing techniques. Whether you're targeting bass, walleye, or trout, these lures promise to enhance your fishing experience. The flashy copper body and blade create a visually striking effect in the water, which helps attract fish even in murky conditions. The reflective surfaces enhance visibility and mimic the natural movement of baitfish, increasing your chances of a successful catch. These spinners produce a lifelike rooster tail action, drawing fish in with a realistic appearance and movement. This action mimics the behavior of wounded or distressed bait, making it irresistible to predators like bass and trout. Made from high-quality materials, the TRUSCEND spinners are built to withstand the rigors of fishing, including potential snags and strikes. Their durability ensures that you can rely on them for multiple fishing trips without significant wear and tear. Suitable for various fishing environments, these lures can be used in lakes, rivers, and coastal waters. Their effectiveness in both freshwater and saltwater settings makes them a valuable addition to any tackle box. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner, these lures can help you reel in. Number 4 on our side is THKFISH Ice Fishing Lures. If you're serious about ice fishing and want reliable lures that deliver results, The THKFISH ice fishing jigs are definitely worth considering for your winter fishing gear. Made from high-quality materials, these jigs are built to withstand the rigors of ice fishing. The durable construction ensures that they hold up against repeated use and icy conditions, providing reliability throughout the season. Each jig is thoughtfully designed to mimic the movement of natural prey in the water. The jig heads are weighted appropriately for effective jigging and can attract fish even in colder temperatures when they are less active. The jigs come equipped with sharp, durable hooks designed for easy penetration and secure holds on the catch. This feature is especially important when fishing in icy waters where quick hook sets can make a significant difference. The set includes 8 different jigs, each featuring unique designs and colors that are ideal for attracting a range of fish species. This variety allows anglers to adapt to changing conditions and fish preferences, which is crucial when ice fishing. The THKFISH Ice Fishing Jigs 8-piece set is an excellent choice for any ice fishing enthusiast looking to up their game this winter. With a variety of effective designs, sharp hooks, and durable construction, these jigs provide the reliability and versatility needed to tackle different species under the ice. Whether you're targeting panfish, crappie, pike, or trout, this jig set can help you maximize your chances of success during your ice fishing trips. Number 5. In our top 5 best ice fishing jigs is Aventik Ice Fishing Jigs. If you're looking to enhance your ice fishing experience this season, the Aventik Ice Fishing Jigs should definitely be on your list of must-have gear. The inclusion of soft lures adds another layer of attraction, providing a lifelike movement in the water. These soft lures can effectively entice fish, making them an excellent addition to your ice fishing arsenal. Each jig comes with sharp, durable hooks designed for optimal penetration and secure holds. This feature is essential for ensuring that the fish stay hooked once they bite, reducing the chances of losing your catch. One of the standout features of these jigs is their glow-in-the-dark capability. This is particularly beneficial for low-light conditions, helping to improve visibility and increase bite rates during dawn or dusk. The jigs are thoughtfully designed to mimic the movement of natural prey, making them more attractive to fish. This biomimetic approach increases the likelihood of attracting fish even in challenging conditions. With pack sizes ranging from 6 to 125 jigs, anglers can choose the quantity that best fits their needs. This variety is perfect for both casual fishermen and those who plan to spend extended time on the ice. As the ice fishing season kicks off, having the right tackle can make all the difference in your success on the frozen lakes. The Aventik Ice Fishing Jigs offer a compelling option for anglers targeting a variety of species, including bluegill, sunfish, perch, crappie, walleye, trout, and pike.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.